Replacing windows is an excellent way to improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. If you live in Glendale, where temperatures can soar in summer and dip in winter, ensuring that your new windows are installed correctly is essential. Proper preparation before installation day can help ensure a smooth, stress-free experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting your home ready for a successful window installation. Confirm the installation date and time. Before anything else, make sure you have confirmed your installation date and time with the window installation company. Some companies provide a time window, so plan accordingly. If you need to reschedule, notify the company as soon as possible. Clear the area around windows to give installers easy access. Remove any furniture, decorations, or other obstacles near your windows. This includes chairs, couches, or tables positioned near windows, curtains, blinds, or other window treatments. Wall decorations are fragile items that could be disturbed. Clearing the area ensures the installers can work efficiently without risking damage to your belongings. Protect your floors and furniture. Your window installation can create dust and debris. Protect your home by laying down drop cloths or plastic sheeting over floors, covering nearby furniture with sheets or plastic covers, vacuuming or sweeping the area beforehand to remove excess dust. Some window installers bring protective coverings, but having extra on hand can help minimize cleanup after the installation is complete. Disable security system. If your home security system is connected to your windows, you'll need to disable it before the installation begins. This prevents unnecessary alerts and ensures the installers can work uninterrupted. Contact your security provider if you need assistance with disabling and reactivating your system. Create a clear path for installers. Installers will need to move freely in and out of your home. Ensure they have a clear path by moving rugs, plants, or other trip hazards, unlocking gates or doors they might need to use, keeping pets in a separate area to avoid stress or accidental escape. A clutter-free workspace allows the team to work efficiently and safely. Plan for noise and disruption. Window installation involves drilling, hammering, and other noisy activities. If you work from home or have young children, consider making alternate arrangements for the installation period. Likewise, informing neighbors in advance is a courteous step if your home is part of an HOA or close-knit community. Prepare for weather conditions. Glendale's weather can vary, so check the forecast before your installation day. If rain or extreme heat is expected, discuss contingency plans with your installer. Most companies can still work in light rain but may reschedule for severe weather. Have a plan for old windows. Ask the installation company about their policy on disposing of old windows. Some companies include removal and disposal in their service, while others may charge an extra fee. If you plan to repurpose or recycle your old windows, make arrangements in advance. Be available for questions and final inspection. although the installers will handle the bulk of the work, it's a good idea to be available in case they need to ask questions. After installation, do a walkthrough with the crew to inspect the new windows, check for proper sealing, and ask about maintenance tips. Clean up and enjoy your new windows. Once the installation is complete, remove any protective coverings, vacuum dust or debris, and reinstall window treatments. Enjoy your new, energy-efficient windows and the enhanced comfort they bring to your home. By taking these steps, you can help ensure a smooth and hassle-free window installation in Glendale. Preparing in advance minimizes disruptions and allows installers to do their job efficiently, so you can start enjoying the benefits of your new windows as soon as possible.